Are you tired of staring at the same four walls while you work? Do you find yourself daydreaming about exotic locales instead of focusing on spreadsheets? If you've ever wished you could turn your wanderlust, would you do it? If so, listen up. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your dream into a reality by walking you through the steps of becoming a successful digital nomad. In 2024, the world of work and travel is evolving faster than ever before, offering unprecedented opportunities for those daring enough to seize them. Get ready to pack your bags, head to the beach, and start your journey to a life of freedom and adventure. Becoming a digital nomad is a growing trend and an attainable goal for anyone who possesses the right skills and drive to make it happen. Brief definition of a digital nomad. A digital nomad is an individual who uses technology to work remotely, allowing them to live and work from anywhere in the world. They typically have jobs that can be done online, such as freelance writing, web development, or graphic design. And they use digital tools like laptops, smartphones, and the internet to carry out their work. Digital nomads are able to live a location-independent lifestyle and have the flexibility to travel and live in different parts of the world, while still maintaining a steady income. Living in a warmer climate near the ocean seems to be a big driver. So be sure to check out our videos on clothing-optional beaches. Link in the description. What's your reason you would want to be a digital nomad? Leave a comment below on where you would want to live. Explanation of the growing trend of becoming a digital nomad. This trend that has been rapidly growing in recent years, and it's only expected to continue to rise. The desire for flexibility and independence in work has driven many people to pursue this lifestyle. The COVID-19 pandemic has also accelerated the trend of remote work, making it easier than ever before to become a digital nomad. Businesses and employers are also contributing to the growth of the trend, as they are in search of highly skilled professionals who can work from anywhere. This shift in the job market presents a unique opportunity for individuals to take advantage of the benefits of this lifestyle, such as the ability to travel and experience new cultures while still maintaining a steady income. Advantages of being a digital nomad. The most obvious would be the ability to work from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Imagine being able to work from the comfort of your own home, a coffee shop, or even a beach in a foreign country. The possibilities are endless. You no longer have to choose between work and travel, as you can now have the best of both worlds. Imagine being able to visit new countries, immerse yourself in different cultures, and still be able to maintain your income. The best countries for digital nomads will vary depending on personal preferences, but some popular destinations include Indonesia, Thailand, Portugal, Hungary, Spain, Malta, Colombia, Vietnam, Georgia, Mexico. These destinations are known for having a good quality of life, low cost of living, good infrastructure, and a large community of digital nomads. However, it's important to research and consider factors such as visa requirements, cost of living, internet speed, and cultural differences before choosing a destination. Check out our free ebook in the description on how to become a digital nomad. Improved work-life balance. By becoming a digital nomad, you not only have the freedom to work from anywhere, but you also have the ability to achieve a better work-life balance. You no longer have to sacrifice your personal life for work, or vice versa. You can set your own schedule and work in a way that best suits your lifestyle and needs. Cost savings. Finally, being a digital nomad can also help you save money. You no longer have to worry about commuting costs or paying for an office. These cost savings can be substantial and can give you even more freedom and financial stability as a digital nomad. Steps to becoming a digital nomad. The first step is to determine if you have a job or skill that can be performed remotely. This could be anything from a traditional office job that allows remote work to freelance or gig-based work that can be done online. Take some time to evaluate your current job and determine if it can be transitioned to remote work. If not, consider upskilling or finding a new job in a field that is more conducive to remote work. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to what the best jobs for digital nomads, as the answer will depend on your skills, experience, and interests. Some of the most popular jobs for digital nomads include web development and design, content creation, writing, photography, videography. I left a few links in the description on what I think are the best tools to get started right away. Most use AI to create stories, videos, and blogging. Be sure to check it out. Digital marketing, remote consulting and coaching, virtual assistant, online teaching and tutoring, software development and programming, customer service and support. Translation and interpretation. Keep in mind that this is not an exhaustive list, and there may be other jobs that are well suited for digital nomads, depending on your individual circumstances. Once you've determined that you have a job or skill that can be performed remotely, it's time to start planning and budgeting for travel. This includes researching destinations, booking flights and accommodations, and setting aside money for travel expenses. It's important to have a solid plan in place so that you can hit the ground running as a digital nomad. Next, you'll want to invest in equipment and technology that will make your remote work easier and more efficient. This includes a reliable laptop, high-speed internet, and any necessary software or tools for your job. Finally, it's important to build a support network as a digital nomad. This can include friends, family, and other digital nomads who can provide support and advice as you embark on your journey. Challenges of being a digital nomad. While being a digital nomad offers many benefits, it can also come with some challenges. One of the biggest challenges is isolation and loneliness. When you're on the road and working remotely, it can be difficult to connect with others and build a sense of community. However, there are ways to overcome this challenge, such as joining digital nomad groups, meeting other travelers, and staying in touch with friends and family back home. Another challenge that digital nomads face is finding a stable internet connection. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, co-working space, or your hotel room, it's important to have a reliable internet connection to ensure that you can work effectively and efficiently. Researching your destination ahead of time and investing in a portable Wi-Fi device can help mitigate this challenge. Maintaining a routine and staying productive can also be a challenge for digital nomads. With so many new sights, sounds, and experiences to enjoy, it can be tempting to put work aside and just focus on exploring your surroundings. It's important to maintain a balance between work and play to ensure that you're still able to get your work done and meet your deadlines. Dealing with visa restrictions. Finally, visa restrictions can be a challenge for digital nomads. Different countries have different rules and regulations regarding work visas, and it's important to research and understand these restrictions before you travel. Overcoming the challenges. Staying connected with friends and family can be a challenge for digital nomads, but there are some simple strategies that can help. For example, scheduling regular video calls, keeping in touch through social media, and setting aside time to catch up with loved ones can help maintain those important relationships. Despite these challenges, the rewards of being a digital nomad are many and well worth the effort. So, if you're considering taking the leap and pursuing this lifestyle, now is the time to do it. With the right resources and tools, you can overcome any obstacles and enjoy the many benefits of being a digital nomad. Click here to continue your travel adventures. Like and subscribe and get our free ebook in the description on becoming a digital nomad. Thanks for watching and happy travels!